Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. Today's video, I'm going to be going over the insane day of trading that we had. We actually got to take part in the Trade of 8 trading challenge. It's the link down in the pinned comments down below. Basically, they started a challenge platform on their trading platform to where users can come in. Right now, it's sim-based, but it can go into funded later on, I believe, as well as have your own challenges and stuff like that. So be on the lookout. But right now, it's a sim-based challenge. They're day-long. There's actually a 2-day one coming up for free commission. The prize is free commissions for the entire month of December. So be on the lookout for that, or join it if you want to. But I'm going to be going over the insane day of trading with that. I actually got second place, and I should have gotten first. So I'm going to go over what happened and how I lost it in the last 7 minutes of the day. All right, guys. So I ended the day up $9,082. This total P&L is based off of a $5,000 starting account, and I was allowed to trade 30 micros at a time max. So I started at $5,000. I ended up making an extra $9,000 on top of that. So that's $14,000 for the account balance. Again, this is sim because this is through the Trade of 8 trading challenge. So here were the rules. You could only trade the MES, the MNQ, the YM, and the M2K. First place got a top of the book data bundle. So not a great prize here, but better prizes are coming. Like I mentioned earlier, free commissions for the month of December is our next challenge that we're going to be taking part of early next week. It was a one-day only challenge. And again, 30 lots, $5,000 balance. Everybody came out swinging today. So this is the leaderboard. Here's me in second place. Whoever 1, 2, 3 is, good job to you for bringing it back up. This are the stats for the day. So overall had 20 losing trades for 50 contracts, 90.91% win rate, $9,000 of profit. I was at $10,000 of profit until the last 10 minutes of the day. So I ended this trade right here up $10,027 of profit. Now, if you look at here, you can see if I was still at $10,027 of profit, I would be number one. However, this data is delayed by 10 minutes. And so when this short happened, this humongous move to the downside, right? A nice little 70-point ripper or whatever. This guy was actually short. In his P&L, he was at like $6,000 before that move. And all of a sudden I look at the leaderboard and it's just pounding up. I had stopped trading 30 minutes before the day even ended because I was at $10,000. And I was like, there's no way someone's catching up $4,000 to get it back up to me. All of a sudden I see his P&L just increasing like crazy. And then towards the last 10 minutes of the day, I thought I need to make a trade here or he's going to beat me. And so I got into a trade, the Murderago, if you will, the last 10 minutes of the day when it's just mayhem. I got long because I saw the buyers increasing and it just got slapped. I took a $970 loss or whatever that is on this trade. And that was the day for me. That was it. That was me losing, me getting second place. However, despite this loss, it was a great day. I mean, I still was able to rack in $9,000 on this challenge. And I mean, everybody in the top 3 really killed it. When you think about the fact that we had a $5,000 starting balance and the top 3 was able to get over 150% net return in one day each, that's just insane. So a lot of my really good trades, we made like $5,000 within this little window of time. I bet it was like an hour or so, maybe a little more. And we basically were just flipping back and forth, doing our normal scalping routine between volume and playing the little micro levels on the 22 range chart, even on the micros. So we were going in, every trade was a 10 lot trade. So 10, 20, 30 lots, that's our max trade. Getting out, right? 10 lot trade, little 20 lot trade. And on this one, we were just going and buying the +1 or the -1, -1 standard deviation, selling the rip, buying the dip, selling the rip, buying the dip, selling the rip, right? Just doing that over and over again, nice and consistently because Delta was increasing. Our buyers were looking great. And so we were just buying the volume support and exiting at the volume resistance. That was it. That was the entire trade there. Here we can see buyers kind of slowed down. So we got out, actually got net short. and rode it there again to volume and to this micro level here. Flipped long, ride it up for 30 points, right? And then buy +1, the support at +1. Buy that, sell it again, right? Sell it at volume resistance. So that's how that trade went out. This trade was pretty ugly. Took a lot of heat on this trade. Ended up going back down to our target. We were at $5,000 of profit before this trade. Took like $3,000 of drawdown or something, so not ideal. But again, it was a trading challenge paper account, so I was feeling okay. And then we really stepped it into gear. This last half of the day was really great trading for me. And in the morning as well, this was an overnight long that filled out, and then shorts in the morning, and then just grinding shorts on stream, and a couple of long trades as well. But for a good feeling scalping session this afternoon was great, and it just came back to utilizing that strategy that I've shown and use here on stream pretty frequently. So overall, it's very fun to get to kind of enjoy the morning. We traded our cash account this morning a little bit, made $800, so we were able to kind of take a step back and really enjoy just the aspect of trading, even through a sim account, and the aspect of competition, right? And that's why I like this Trade of 8 challenge that they've really created. And while it sucks to get second, it's still fun to kind of hone your skills and have some friendly banter back and forth between everyone. And I mean, a lot of people on this channel who come in every morning on the streams, we're doing great all day. O-Trade's part of that, Gambler part of that. So good job to you all. If you're watching this, well done. If you didn't know, we live stream our trades every single morning, Monday through Friday. So definitely come hang out there. If you enjoy live trading, make sure you press that thumbs up button and subscribe, as well as if you're interested in these challenges. Again, it's linked in the pinned comment down below. So I recommend you join. Again, we have this one coming up here in a couple days, the Turkey Challenge, which is going to be great, with free commissions for the entire month of December if you win. So if you're interested in that, let's get it. I hope you all have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you next time for some more scalping. Peace.